do today, we're going to have some fun. We're going to learn how to grow our own food, right? Yeah. So we're going to germinate seeds. So I want to know, what is your favorite plant? Your favorite vegetable to eat? What you like?
Pear. I like carrots.
You like carrots? Okay. You like tomatoes? What you like, little guy in the back?
John.
John, what you like?
What kind of vegetables do you like, John?
So what we got for you, we got a cell. So these right here, it's called a cell. This is what you put the mix in. This mix right here, you put your mix up in it, and then we're gonna wet it down, right? So each one of y'all get a cell.
I just found the water can yesterday.
So for you, young man.
Yay!
Little ladies. And so for you.
I just found the water can
And so for you.
yesterday.
All right. So now the next process is one person at a time will come up here. Young man, you come up here. DeMario. Right, so we'll get some of this mix, right? We're gonna leave the cell right here. So we'll get some of this mix, some of this dirt. I know you like playing in dirt because you're a little kid. So we get the dirt, boom, we put it up in the cell. You want me to do it for you, or you want to do it? Good. Yeah, don't be scared. Don't be scared to put your hand in there. Boom, put it in the cell, just like that. That's good.
I'm not scared.
Good. Cause you're a big boy.
Because if I was big, I would be thinking spiders were in there.
Right. I be seeing you playing with the dirt over there. You're a big boy. You're strong. So boom, this is your cell. What we gonna do? For we can know it's yours. You got your name on here, right? We gonna put this right here. Bop.
Why put my name in there?
Right. Because we want to know that this is yours. Here we go. Some more. Let's get some more up in here. Now with your hand, pat it down, pat it down. Good job. Dust your hand off. Wait up. One more thing we gotta do. We gotta put your name up in here so we can know this yours. Voila. That's Pax.
Nice.
Next one. Grab the dirt. Grab it.
Grab the dirt, DJ.
Boom. Good job. You did it. Yay. So we'll put your name in it.
Coach.
And this one is yours, DJ.
Nice.
So we'll grab your cell, right? We'll put some dirt up in it. Yep, just like that. Then we're gonna put, see, he was paying attention. He was smart, young man.
Good job. Yeah.
Grab some of the dirt, put it up in there.
Coach.
Yes, Noah.
Let's get it. You got your cell? You been paying attention? What we supposed to be doing?
Putting the dirt in.
Oh, she's a smart young lady.
Yes, she is.
She's very smart.
Good luck, Noah.
Oh, perfect.
Nice job, Noah.
Noah, good job. Grab, put your stick in here. Right? We're going to answer questions after we finish this.
There we go.
That's good.
Good
So
job.
let's fill this up. We'll fill this up. Wow. So we got our bag full of seeds. I'm going to pick out the perfect plant for each one of you guys, right?
I want a pear.
You want a pear? Those are trees.
Yeah, we got pears over there. You got. Yep.
We got the pear tree over there. So now we're going to do tomatoes. We need some tomatoes, guys.
Yes, we do. Yeah.
We need some tomatoes and eggplants to go in our salad.
And carrots.
And carrots.
I want carrots.
Right. Huh?
I want carrots.
Yeah, we're going to do the carrots. We're going to do the carrots next. But today, we're going to get our tomatoes and eggplants ready, okay?
Okay.
Is it a deal?
Yeah.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So the next step we got to do is...
water.
Oh, he's a
Good
genius.
job, Mario.
That young man's a genius. Oh, he got the donkey, yeah. That's what we in the farm, man. We need the donkey, right?
Yeah.
So let's get the water.
Donkey.
Okay, let's get the water.
So we got a waterman. Where the waterman at? Who will help with the water?
I
Oh,
Okay, stop where you at.
will.
So all y'all gonna help. So one at a time, we're gonna pour a little bit of water. Don't step on the cells. Good. Come on, you first. You hold this. Hold it, and then we're gonna tilt it a little bit, and we're gonna water them all just like that. Right. That's pretty good. Then the next man. All right, go back over there in line. So, Pat, see right
watch out,
here.
Noah. Stand up.
Hold it tight, Pat. And then tilt it, and we'll water it in.
Good job.
It's a little water.
Good job,
It looks like a
Your turn.
little
Hold it tight.
waterfall.
And some rain.
Wow, that's cool.
That looks like a little waterfall. Some waves.
Yeah.
Next little lady.
Yeah.
Show them too.
Lady now. The lady now. And then
Yay.
another. And then
Cool.
Oh,
Next little man, let's go.
This is so wet, Coach.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
It's right
Yeah. John.
Come on, little Johnny.
John, 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 John,
Back up a little bit. Good job, good job. So you will get the bell pepper. So what we're gonna do, we'll try to germinate the bell peppers. Let me show you what it looks like. So it's a little tiny seed. Y'all watching?
Yep.
Yeah.
Look.
Come up here.
What's that little
So
tiny
these is little
seed?
tiny seeds.
Look, you guys.
Let's see what they look like. Let's see what these tomato seeds look like. Mortgage lifter tomatoes.
Nice.
Heirloom. These are heirloom tomatoes.
That's
That's it.
cool.
Super cool. So boom, you got 3 seeds.
Pat's got 3 seeds.
Let's
So
go.
what vegetable you want?
Tomato.
Yeah, she wanted tomatoes. That's what we got. So we're gonna do a San Marzino.
Ooh.
So DJ, what did you want? Tomatoes, right? So we got tomatoes for DJ. So the special tomato we got for you is Casalito. All these heirloom tomatoes with weird names. Alright, so let's see. So John, you wanted a what?
Tomato.
A purple tomato, right? Oh, they got a special purple tomato. Let's get it. So I'm gonna take 3 seeds out.